The number one question I get asked by my clients, friends, and family members, what supplements do I take? Now, they can contact me for a number of reasons. What would you recommend for X, Y? And the next question would be, what supplement do I take? Now, anyone in the looking to purchase supplements would know that there is a sea of variety. But all supplements are not created equal. Here in the United Kingdom, we have companies designated for producing supplements, and also we have pharmacies that produce, as well as supermarkets. They produce some of their own brands of maybe the more popular supplements. But if you check the label, you soon realize that a lot of them are packed with fillers, bulking agents, meaning the money you're actually spending on what you buy does not guarantee you get what you thought you bought. So let's take calcium. You go and you buy a bottle of calcium. That bottle of calcium, when you check the ingredients, is made of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is chalk. Yeah? What you need is calcium citrate. And calcium citrate is the more absorbable form of calcium that your body needs. Calcium citrate, that is the one that is best suited for the absorption for your bones, support of bones, and so forth. So if you are using supplements, it's important to purchase what is the best option for you. Now, there are two brands, one of which I have worked with in practice, and that is the Now brand. Now, I just want to let you know, this is not a paid advertisement. No one is paying me to talk about these products. This is my personal opinion, and I've done a bit of research, so you can go off and you can get your own research done to check, and you tell me what you think. The two brands are Now, the Now supplement brand. They have been around for, I would say, the good part of 20 years or more. The other one is Nutrition Geeks, which is a fairly new brand, but it has promise. So why is it that I'm mentioning these two brands? First of all, Nutrition Geeks, they have come into the market, and they don't have a wide range of supplements, but the few that they do have, they are the most sought after supplements at this time. And how does the quality match with Now, who is a recognized brand? They do third-party testing, and they actually put out a report the other day on a lot of the supplements that we get on Amazon that are turning out to be not viable. In other words, they don't have the ingredients they say they have in them. So it's important, especially these days when our dollars or pounds here in the UK, you want your money to work hard for you. So it's important that you get the right supplements. So I've put together a few slides of comparison between Now supplements and Nutrition Geeks. For those of you who are treating or working with a natural health practitioner or a health coach, or you're trying to correct an issue in your body, my suggestion is, if you can afford it, go for Now. Now is, they are considered nutraceuticals in some instances. Go for Now. If you are looking, if you can't afford Now, because Now can be a little bit more expensive because you're paying for quality, and Nutrition Geeks has the supplement that you need, as in magnesium glycinate, which we ladies over 40, I'm sure you've heard of the benefits of magnesium glycinate and how it impacts your sleep, then by all means, get Nutrition Geeks. I use Nutrition Geeks and it does work. I've recommended it for clients, friends, and it works. So my suggestion is have a look at the slides and you be the judge for yourself. All right? If you need any more information, please let me know. I have prepared a PDF, so if you would like to have the PDF, let me know. And get back to me. Tell me what you think of the supplements that are on the market. What brand do you take and what are the ingredients? All right? Bye.